morning, mga kababayan. Karong adlaw, today we are here in Milanio, big mall in Stuttgart. Drink cappuccino. Waiting for breakfast. Have ordered. Well, today I have done for impong vaccine for corona because 2 months from now we're vacation in Philippines. My hi mom, welcome home soon. We see my family because this month is my feeling is super down because it happens my sister passed. I'm here now in Milanio because I relieve my feelings because my sister passed away. Super pain. And now I exhale. It's so hard, but I know my sister is rest in peace by the God feelings. It's not so easy. And today also is my off. That's why I'm relaxing a little bit. But I know God always with me, with us, for embrace me because at this time I'm super down. I know God always with me, embrace me, my family. But guys, don't forget to watch my video today. And thank you all. This is my video today. Cheers. Bye-bye.